Physical properties of amines. In the case of amines, lower aliphatic amines are colorless gases at room temperature. Lower aliphatic amines. They are colorless gases at room temperature. Okay. And they have fishy odor. Okay. Next compounds, that is carbon atoms, amines containing carbon atoms from 4 or more carbon atoms. Okay. Amines containing 4 or more carbon atoms. Okay. These compounds are volatile liquids. They are volatile liquids. Next, higher members. Higher members are colorless solids. Higher members are colorless solids. And all these compounds, all amines are lighter than water. That is, all amines are lighter than water. Okay. Next physical property is boiling point. What about the boiling points of amines? Next, boiling point. Okay. Simple amines are polar compounds. We know primary amines and secondary amines. In the case of primary amines, they contain 2 NH bonds. Okay, 2 NH bonds. So they are polar. Okay. Similarly, in the case of secondary amines contains only 1 NH bond. Okay, 1 NH bond. They are also polar. But in the case of tertiary amines, they contain no polar bonds. Okay, no NH bonds. So they are non-polar in nature. Now let us discuss the boiling point. In the case of primary and secondary amines, since they are polar, they are capable of forming intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, primary and secondary amines can form intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay. So due to this intermolecular hydrogen bonding, they are associated together. But in the case of tertiary amines, there is no such intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So what about the boiling points? Primary and secondary amines having intermolecular hydrogen bonding, they are having high boiling point compared to tertiary amines. Okay, so the order will be like this. Primary contains 2 NH bonds, so they are more polar and they are having high boiling point compared to secondary, okay, which is greater than tertiary. This will be the order. Okay, now what will be the association? About the association, let us draw the association. In the case of amines, primary amines contain 2 NH bonds. Okay, so they can associate together like this. Okay, NHR. Here again it can associate with another. Okay. Like this, they can associate together. Okay, so association will be more in the case of primary amines. Now, what about the secondary amines? Contains 2R, 2 alkyl groups. So, with this hydrogen atom, the association is taking place. Okay, so compared to primary amines, the association is less. But what about in the case of tertiary amines? There will be no association. Okay. Like this. Okay. So the boiling point, the order of boiling point will be primary greater than secondary. Primary is having higher boiling point than secondary, then tertiary. Now when we compare this to the alcohols, in the case of alcohols we know that hydrogen bonding like this, okay, hydrogen bonding. But in the case of like this, okay, the hydrogen bonding will be like this, okay. So the hydrogen bonding between oxygen and hydrogen, but in the case of amines it will be between nitrogen and hydrogen. Compared to oxygen, nitrogen is less electronegative, so we can say that the boiling point of alcohols is greater than nitrogen than amines of comparable masses. What about in the case of tertiary? In the case of tertiary amines, there is no association. So their boiling points are almost near to alkanes. Okay, near to alkanes. This much about the boiling point. Now, what about the solubility? Solubility. If the compounds can form hydrogen bonding with water, they are highly soluble in water. See, in the case of primary amines, the bonding see like this, okay, with water molecules they can associate together, okay, they form hydrogen bonding with water molecules. In the case of secondary amines also, they are associated with water molecule. What will be in the case of primary amines? Sorry, tertiary amines? They can also form bonding with water molecule. So we can say that these all primary, secondary and tertiary amines are soluble in water. Okay, so lower members which are having carbon atoms less than 6 are soluble in water. Okay, but we know alkyl groups are hydrophobic in nature. Okay, alkyl groups are hydrophobic in nature. So, as the alkyl part increases, what will happen? The solubility decreases. So, higher members are less soluble. Higher members less soluble. Or they are insoluble in water. But they are soluble in organic solvents like benzene, ethanol, ether, chloroform, etc. Okay. Now, next, compared to alcohols, what about the solubility? Similar, in the case of alcohols, the hydrogen bonding is more. Okay, hydrogen bonding is more. Compared to alcohols, amines are less soluble. Okay, amines are less soluble as compared to alcohols because they form hydrogen bonding, strong hydrogen bonding. Alcohols form a strong hydrogen bonding than amines. Next, some important effects of amines are capable of producing serious physiological effects. It causes serious physiological effects. Okay. Another point is lower members are irritants and cardiac stimulants. Lower members, they are irritants and cardiac stimulants. Okay. Irritants and cardiac stimulants like ammonia. Okay.